Hello, fourth grade students and parents. This is week 5 of e-learning, scheduled for the week of April 27th through May 1st. This week in math, we are going to continue our work with angles. If you're working with the packet provided by your school, you will see this cover page. Each day, there should be about 20 minutes of math work. Remember, not all of the assignments listed need to be completed for the week. Before your child begins work, make sure you've contacted his or her teacher to find out which of these steps best meets the needs of your child. When your child has completed a step, he or she can record it in the I'm done column. Your child can then complete the sample task in the next column and reflect on his or her understanding using the smiley faces. Be sure to communicate your child's understanding with his or her teacher so you can find out next steps in your child's learning. This week in math, we will focus on how to relate fractions to divide a circle into angle measures, how to measure with unit angles, and how to use a protractor to measure with angles. Your fourth grader has already had experience with fractions. Angles are simple fractional turns of a circle. So in fourth grade, we connect the knowledge of fractions to degrees of an angle. For example, if you fold a circle in half, a 180-degree angle has been created. If you fold a circle into fourths, 90-degree angles have been created. We can then make equations to represent our folds. Watch the Visual Learning Bridge video by scanning this page into the Bounce Pages app to learn more. The next step in learning about angles is measuring with unit angles. A unit angle is simply a 1-degree turn. We count how many 1-degree turns have been completed to determine an angle's measure. Benchmarks, like right angles, 90-degree angles, or straight lines, 180-degree angles, can help us to count unit angles more efficiently. Our last step is to use a protractor to measure angles. A protractor has been included in the packet for you. You'll notice a protractor contains 2 angle measurements to allow readings of 180 degrees from either side. Before reading a protractor, it is important to estimate whether an angle is acute, less than 90 degrees, or obtuse, greater than 90 degrees. This will help you determine the appropriate measurement to read on the protractor. Each week, several options for offline, real-world applications will be included in your packet. One example is a Simon Says jumping game with angles. Draw a circle outside with sidewalk chalk and have your child stand in the middle. Have them jump clockwise or counterclockwise a 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle, 180-degree angle, or 360-degree angle. This is a great way to solidify learning while getting some fresh air and sunshine. Also included in the packets are interactive games your children can play. This game requires player 1 to draw an angle card. Each player estimates the angle size, records their angle estimation, and then both players measure the angle using a protractor. The player with the closest estimation scores 2 points. If a player is exact in their estimation, they get double the points. Finally, your packet will include a fluency game to review a skill already taught in 4th grade. Valuable digits covers place value and multi-digit addition. Using a paper clip and a pencil, a spinner can be created for the wheel. Students will develop a strategy for getting the greatest values with the digits they spin and then add up the totals. This game can be played this week or at any time. If you would like more information on any topics covered today, make sure to check out smasmarts.com. This website includes how-to videos, blogs, and tips for e-learning.